A battle is...
Scott inside.
It's the battle of the century! Fight! Tiger Knee! This is the first time it's been recorded. Sonic Boom! This is Tiger Drop. My Tiger Drop been waiting for. Tiger Drop can happen now. Tiger Knee! I smell it coming. Will this get worked out? It's over. Incredible! I can't believe it! K.O. And the battle continues. Fight! Tiger Drop! Tiger Drop! Sonic Boom! This is it. The fight we've been waiting for. Where's that coming from? The fear out there is tangible. I've never seen a tiger that tense. What an attack! Tiger Drop! Tiger Uppercut!
Okay.
Tiger Drop! Tiger Drop!
Give it now.
Tiger Drop! Tiger Uppercut! Tiger Drop! Tiger Drop! Tiger Drop! Tiger Knee!
Let's you keep giving me about this too.
Tiger Drop! Too late, man! It's on! There's no stopping this fight! Tiger Uppercut! That's nothing! K.O. Who will emerge victorious? Fight! Tiger Drop! The first Tiger has been recorded. Tiger Sonic! Tiger Sonic! Sonic! Tiger Drop! Tiger Drop! Tiger Uppercut! Sonic! Tiger Knee! You ready? What an attack! Tiger Drop! Tiger Knee! What power! Tiger Drop! It ain't over till it's over! Tiger Drop! There's no stopping this! K.O.
Let's go. Looking up one.
Sagat wins!
First to three. Yeah.
The world's fiercest fighters await! Will you be the last warrior standing? South America, pitch black jungle. Fists will fly at this. Are you ready? Fight! And with that, the fight is underway. This is it. The fight will be Anything can happen now.
And this is first to three, so this can be anybody. So good, yeah. So good.
This is Tiger Drop! Tiger Drop! Tiger Knee! Tiger Uppercut! Back for that!
Let the spirit guide you. So far.
Ooh.
So far.
Tiger Knee! Time marches on! Tiger Drop! Tiger Drop! Tiger Drop!
Reflect. So far.
Tiger Knee!
Yeah. Hey, thanks for the comment, Phil, myself. It was fun having you here, man.
Sure was, man.
A great performance with DJ and
Pick up the pace!
Leo,
Fight!
Fang, and
Steve.
Steve. Yeah, dude. You did great, man. Thanks for coming out, man.
These two challengers will walk away a champion. Tiger Drop! I smell it coming! Will this gambit work?
So
Tiger Drop!
I got a lot of editing. I think the Street Fighter 6 portion of it was really good.
No, yeah, me and Griffin were going hard in the commentary at one point.
It all comes down to this. Fight! Tiger Drop, there's the first hit. What's next? Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop is underway. We can see how Tiger Drop will walk away in champion. Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop.
Nice. Spacing.
Get one rush. Where did that come from? Tiger Drop.
I'll be honest, I do not know what that is. Just like that.
Isn't it the cross?
Is that what it is?
It's heavy punch plus heavy, no, sorry, medium punch plus, medium kick. What's that mechanic?
Oh, the
Are you ready?
F8, whatever.
Yeah, that one. That's better with just smash forward. That's good for you.
Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop. These two will emerge on Tiger Drop.
Put one more on, this is great though.
Dude, yeah. Oh, you have a hunter? Oh, I didn't know.
Which one of these weapons will snap Tiger Drop from the jaws of defeat? Tiger Drop. There's no stopping this fighter. Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop. Let's roll. Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop.
Chip damage.
Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop.
He also has ultra
Doesn't
too.
get any better. It ain't over till it's over. Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop.
Oh,
That's
that
tight.
was gross.
And the battle continues. Fight! Tiger Drop. Tiger Drop. The scales have tipped.
Did you cancel that? DP?
Tiger Drop.
So like when you do E and then you do the two middle buttons, the medium buttons, and you press forward, you cancel it. So basically you don't get punched.
Let the spirit guide you.
There's no stopping this fighter. It ain't over till it's over.
Goes down to a sliver of health. Griffin goes in. Oh, Griffin takes it. 3-0.
Sagat wins. Yes.